Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. I just got a box. I didn't order this.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Okay guys, I got a box today. I didn't order this. I'm kind of excited. It's from Pop of Color. Pop of Color, I Googled them. It's a paint company. I'm interested to see what's in here. I love presents. Oh, and they're good. Oh. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Have I heard the news? I have not. I didn't know this was coming. What is this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my gosh. It's paint and canvases. Oh my gosh. Let's read the letter. It's a lovely letter from Pop of Color Paints. Free paint. Put it. Lamb's wool. That's a white. So we've got jade. Look at that green, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Royal blue. Oh, it matches my shirt. It's like my favorite color. This box is amazing. This is so cool. Light turquoise. Oh, it's my brand color. And my other brand color, hot pink. Terracotta. Ooh. There are neons. Neon purple. Neon yellow. This is like my dream come true. Oh, neon orange. Look at it. Neon pink. Neon pink. Don't know what I'm gonna paint. I don't know what I'm gonna paint. There's two really cute little canvases, but I'm not gonna be painting canvases. No. We have to paint something. We have to paint something like right now. Goes on like a chalk paint. A couple days later, I let the first coat completely dry, and now I put the second coat on the two that I did in the lamb's wool, which is just sort of an off-white greige. I don't know. Greigey off. It looks off-white and greige. Lamb's wool. So I would like to do something with the pops of color. I mean, that's the whole point of the brand, right? A little pop of color. One of the things that I did notice about this brand that's different from the other brands, it's not as thick as chalk paint, like regular other chalk paints that I've used. Probably use a regular chalk paint. When I shake it, you can hear it. It's way thinner than, it's more like a regular latex than a chalk paint, which I kind of like. This did not thicken up as I was painting, which was really nice too. Now, let's second coat this one. Let's get a second coat of this with the blue. So I did 2 coats of the white, second coat, third coat. We're gonna do a second color. I'm gonna just go over it lightly. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. But I love color, and I love having these pops of color. Like this is a neutral with a pop of color. You can get away with bright colors on small pieces. All right, so I've covered all sides, but not completely. And then we'll go ahead and try the distressing once that's had a chance to dry. I'll pick at this and add a little blue here and a little blue there. You never know where I want a little extra blue. So you can get away with color on smaller items. And customers don't seem to mind. Like, they'll buy frames that are bright color, and they'll buy little boxes, little trinket boxes that are brightly colored. Not so much furniture. I love bright furniture. So this is the frame that I did in the lamb's wool. I'm gonna actually take a lot off my brush, and we're just gonna dry brush this one. So do just lightly brush it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you can get away with a lot of pops of color when it comes to smaller items. So I went with that. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we will distress this down and see how that comes out. So what if we layered that blue over that pink? Royal blue over the hot pink. Let's do it. You only live once, and it's a frame. It's a tiny little frame. What's the worst that could happen? Go bold or go home. I was really liking the blend. So I took some water and reactivated the paint and started to mix it. Now don't judge because we're still in process, but look how it blended in. I can't wait to distress it. Look at, you can see the pink and the blues, and then it turns into this really great violet shade, and then the white came through. So once you use water and reactivate it, you get the nice blending. That was really cool. I loved seeing the colors just melt together. It was really nice. I'm sorry, it's gorgeous. And then you got the more sedate kind of dry brushing, and I'm gonna finish these up and give those a second to dry, and then we're gonna take some cloth and we're going to distress them. I'm gonna try a wet distress on them. All right, I got cloth and I got water, and this is good and dry. Okay, so here's pictures of how it turned out. Okay, my thoughts on pop of color. I love it. I don't think that it's a true chalk paint. I don't know how to say that. I mean, it says it's a chalk paint, quick, dry, refurnishing paint with a chalk finish, not a chalk paint. That's why I'm feeling like it's a little different. It's as easy to distress and work with as chalk paint, and it doesn't have a smell, which is really weird, but it has a different consistency, a different texture to it while you're working with it, which actually I like. It's not as thick and as gummy. As far as the colors go, I'm in heaven. I am in heaven. My husband, he's an artist, and I've talked about that on this channel before, and he went to try it because I went out there and I said, it's really highly pigmented paint, and he said, maybe I should try that in place of some of the acrylics that he has that he struggles with. And I don't know, I'll let him use it for $5. But the colors they sent me, I can't wait to play with. I can't wait to try them on a bunch of different things. So as I was working, I was sitting there thinking, ooh, I could do this or I could do that. And especially with the purple and the pink and the way they blended so well together. I am looking forward to doing more blended stuff. I've been wanting to learn to blend things better. So I found my medium for that. That's for sure, because with the latex paints, I'm struggling. And this one, when I moved the blue and the pink together and then put a little water on it, and it started to really blend together nicely. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm in love with the frame. I know it's not everybody's thing. So I look at the frame and I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, But whatever your color choices are, this paint is very highly pigmented. So if you're like me and you like color, Pop of Color. Yeah, it was good. I'll use it again. I'll be using it again. Thanks, Pop of Color, for sending this to me. Not sponsored, but I did get this free. Unexpectedly free. So thanks for sending it. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, and I think the coffee mug is over, but the regular vendor was able to get them, so there should still be a link for coffee mugs in the description below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, it's that link right there. As always, everyone, Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin' videos.